Lamarr Wilson here, back with another video, back for another taste test. It's been a while. And so Oreo's coming out with, I don't know, 5 or 6 different flavors this summer, and I'm just gonna choose the ones I wanna cover. So this one is strawberry shortcake, but not just any strawberry shortcake. This is the Good Humor ice cream bar. I've had these years ago, so I remember the taste. And so I'm wondering, will the Oreo taste like the ice cream without the code? We're gonna find out. Oh, just to let you know where I got these. Target. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Go ahead and just put the crumb guard roach protection. I don't have any, but I ain't gonna want none either. All right. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So it has a really, really good strawberry taste. I'm pleasantly surprised. I feel like I've done another strawberry flavored Oreo before in the past. If I did, I'll link it if I remember to link it. It tastes very similar to that. I feel like it tastes like I've had this before, but not necessarily the Good Humor. They could have just made a strawberry Oreo and I've been okay. It's really good. It's full of strawberry flavor. Like you taste the strawberry cream. Let's try it with milk. I gave Wonder Woman the day off, and I have my Darth Vader chalice, so don't judge me. Target milk, because I didn't have any at home. This is all they had. They just put a little bit. I spit in the milk. I don't know if y'all saw that. I spit in the milk. Wow. Okay. Put this right here. How am I gonna drink that? Okay. So I'm gonna do the little dippy dip. Here we go. Dippy, dippy, dippy. Get lots of dippy. And swirl, get that milk really in there, but not too soggy. And okay, the milk with this cookie really helps to bring out the flavor. So you're tasting like the crunch is still there because I didn't let it sit in there too long. But I'm starting to get the fuller flavor of the strawberry, still lacking that ice cream flavor, but it's still a really darn good cookie. Yeah. Good. Maybe I won't give this away. I can't eat this whole packet though, that's the thing. All right, you drink out of Darth Vader. All right, so what's my verdict of the Good Humor Strawberry Shortcake Oreo? Just came out this week, by the way. I don't know if I said that. My recommendation is try it. Like, I like it. And if you're really into good humor, you might be slightly disappointed, but at the same time, you're getting a really good strawberry shortcake Oreo. So that's my verdict. Definitely go try it out. And I guess so. There's gonna be a playlist below of like all my taste test videos. So that's where all the other past Oreo videos will be. So if you missed any that you want to see which ones I did, check that playlist. I will put that below. It'll probably pop up on the screen as well. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you enjoy taste tests and things like this, give it a thumb up. If you want to see more of these, let me know. And I really enjoyed this. It was nice coming back to doing these. And you cute. I need to drink out of you more. I mean, I don't really like milk like that, but sorry. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for putting up with me. I'm so silly. Talk to you soon.